Now we are going to proceed with the same chapter for the next topic, that is friction is necessary evil. As the name of this chapter topic is indicating that friction is necessary, and being necessary along with this, it is evil also. Okay, it means it is important and it is a kind of the evil. Evil means जो चीज बुरी होती है, ठीक है, बुराई भी है और अच्छाई भी, बट हमारे लिए ये जरूरी भी है, ठीक है. And why it is necessary and why it is having the ill effects or ill points, ठीक है, that we are going to discuss here. And why it is necessary, so first of all, why it is necessary we will discuss it. And here it is necessary to walk on the floor and to walk on any surface. It is very necessary, because if there will not be any kind of the friction, we will obviously slip on that surface. So that's why it provides a better way or better walk on any surface. And next, whenever we apply the brakes, suppose we are having our car or scooty and whatever kind of vehicle we are having, and in that case we need to apply the brake, and brakes cannot be used without having the friction. So it is very important for such things. And next one is the movement of the vehicle, and vehicles are supposed to move because they are obviously made up of the numerous small machinery, and some are the complex bodies like the car and the trucks are there, heavy loaded trucks, and they are supposed to be made up of the heavy machines, and internal उनका जो structure होता है that is very heavy, and due to which obviously small parts are joined together so that it can be a complex body. And to facilitate the joining and to facilitate the movement of one part of the body to the another part of the body, in case of the machines, it is very important for the this friction to be there. Next one is the light the matchstick. Whenever we are going to lighten any matchstick, if that matchstick, the top of that matchstick will not be containing that frictional material, that material which is having which is very, we can say, which is liable to ignite, and that material is supposed to contain the friction, ठीक है. Whenever we just take the matchstick and rub it on the side of that matchbox, and it is just वो fire होता है, जो भी मतलब fire लगती है, it starts burning just because of the friction only. And if the matchstick side surface or that matchstick, if the matchbox side surface and that matchstick, they are having the smoothness in between them, then obviously it will not get burned. Then matchstick will not get burned. And next, spiked shoes for the better grip. Sorry, here I have written group. It is grip. For better grip, we are used to wear the spiked, and you might have noticed that footballers are used to wear the shoes which are having the spikes. तो उनके shoes के नीचे ना ऐसे करके spikes लगे होते हैं, which just facilitate them the better movement whenever they are playing football. Okay, it helps them in fast running also, so it just avoid or it restrict their slipping. And next, to write on the notebook. Suppose right now you are having the notebook and pen in your hand, and then whenever you just start and you need to rub that pen over the notebook, only then you will be able to write anything on there. Otherwise it is not possible. Okay, so that kind of the friction should be there. Otherwise, if that friction is not be there in case of the notebook and pen, obviously your pen will slip on the notebook page. Okay, next one is the screw and nails insertion. Suppose we are trying to insert any kind of the screw, ठीक है, जब हम कोई भी screw insert करते हैं या फिर कोई nail insert करते हैं in the wall, in that case we need to have, तो वहाँ पे भी उन्होंने एक डिजाइनिंग करी होती है, ठीक है, जैसे कि nail है ना, nail का पिन हेड है और ये इसका पिन है, ठीक है. तो ये जो पिन है ना, इसके ऊपर ऐसे करके डिजाइनिंग करी होती है जस्ट टू फैसिलिटेट दी proper friction. Okay, next one is the there are now these were all the points that why it is necessary. It is having the numerous uses in our daily life so that we can do our work and we can live our life in a comfortable way, and without the friction obviously most of works will not be take place. So it is very important for our life to run in a proper manner. And next one, it is a necessary evil also. And why it is evil? It means it is having some negative points also, now, because all these were the positive. And those negative points, first is that loss of the energy. Like whenever we are having or we are suffering from, we are going through any kind of the experiencing any friction, in that case obviously we need to apply a lot of force. Okay, suppose you are trying to pull or push any we can say heavy box or a heavy household luggage you are trying to push or pull. In that case our muscular force, energy of our muscular force, it will get lost and we will feel fatigue in that case. And next, wear and tear of the surfaces. If there is lot of friction between the parts of the machinery, in that case those parts may get damaged. Okay, the natural quality or the natural efficiency of those parts, it may falls down with the passage of the time due to the friction on regular basis. Okay, so friction should be in a limited amount. If it goes beyond that limit, then it becomes evil. Okay, so it reduces the efficiency, because whenever two parts, how it can reduce, whenever two parts will rub against each other, तो दोनों parts को damage होगा. ठीक है, ये पार्ट इसके साथ मतलब रब करके खराब हो जाएगा और दोनों एक दूसरे के साथ दोनों को लॉस होगा. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट, डैमेज ऑफ मशीन्स. ऑब्वियसली देयर विल बी द डैमेज टू दैट मशीन आल्सो. इट विल स्टॉप वर्किंग और इट विल नॉट बी एबल टू वर्क इन अ दैट मच गुड वे. Okay, next, ways of increasing. It means like as we know that friction is necessary evil. It means ये जरूरी भी है और एक तरह की बुराई भी है. It means sometimes we need to get it and sometimes we need to avoid it. ठीक है, so we will learn about those times or about those cases in which it is necessary and in which it is evil. ठीक है, that those points we have discussed already. Now we are going to, if it is necessary, then obviously what we will do, we will try to gain it more and more and we will try to increase it. Okay, and if it is evil, obviously we need to decrease it. So first of all we are going to with this positive point, that is it is necessary. So if it is necessary, obviously we will increase it. Now we will learn the ways of increasing the friction. So first one is by making the surface rough. Suppose surfaces, as we come across, we go through so many surfaces that like floor surface and we can say that the surfaces of the road, they are supposed to be very made up of the concrete, and rough surfaces are provided to them just because of them. And our shoe soles they are very having the grooves and ridges in the soles. Our shoes are having. It is just so that to facilitate our movement, so that we can take the work from one place to another. Next, rough floor. Our floor is not that much smooth. Otherwise, we may fall down and we may slip, due to which we may get any kind of the injury. Okay, so just to avoid these situations, by making the surfaces rough, we can increase the friction. ठीक है, फ्रिक्शन को, एक रफ सरफेस को हम उसकी रफनेस बढ़ानी है. दैट इज द इम्पॉर्टेंट फैक्टर, सो दैट वी कैन मेक द प्रॉपर और वी कैन मेक टेक द एडिकेट बेनिफिट फ्रॉम इट. नेक्स्ट वन, बाय मेकिंग द ग्रूव्स, व्हीकल्स एंड टायर्स. Vehicle tires are supposed to having the many deep grooves, and designing is done on the tires. You might have noticed it. ठीक है, so it is just to facilitate more friction between the tire of the roads and the tires of the vehicle, so that they can roll properly. Otherwise it will slip. ठीक है, तो जो टायर होगा नहीं तो वो स्लिप करेगा. There will not be designing done on the groove on the tires, or the grooves will be absent in that case only. ठीक है, so it is very important for the grooves to be there on the surfaces of the tires, just to facilitate the friction. Next one, ways to reduce the friction. Now we have already discussed that it is a kind of the evil also. So why it is evil? If it is evil, then obviously we will reduce it. Okay, we will not accept it as such. So now we are going to learn about the ways of reducing the friction. So first out of them is by lubricating, means by making the use of more and more lubricating things or lubricating substances like the lubricating oil. Suppose as here in case of the even we have discussed, whenever the machine parts come together and they just rub each other and they may get damaged, and to avoid this damage, what the mechanics are used to do, they are used to put some special kind of the oils, जिनको हम lubricating oils बोलते हैं, between the parts which are touching each other or which are sliding over each other, just to facilitate the smooth movement. ठीक है, तो वहां पे lubricating oils जो है वो हम ऐड कर देते हैं. Now the question is what are the lubricants? Lubricants ऐसे substances होते हैं, ठीक है, जो उनका जो friction है उसको कम कर देते हैं. ठीक है, lubricants are the substances that reduces the friction, and for example है इसकी कोई भी lubricating oil ले सकते हैं. ठीक है, and next by polishing the surface, if surface is too much rough, in that case we can polish it to reduce its roughness. Okay, and by polishing it we can reduce the roughness of any surface. Okay, that's why we are used to polish our doors, and we can say polish our rest of the furniture at home so that it do not harm anyone whenever we just touch or keep a hand on it. Okay, like I'm having this bench over here, and if this would not be painted, this wood will not be painted. Okay, in that case obviously that wooden portion, that the parts of the wood may insert into my skin and it may cause damage too. Okay, and next one, by using the ball bearings, as I have drawn over here, it is a picture of the ball bearing. Okay, I think it is not clear. Okay, now in case of the ball bearings, as you can see over here, we are having the metal balls. They are supposed to be metal balls in the bearings. ठीक है, इन्हीं को इकट्ठा बोलते हैं ball bearings. ठीक है, bearing is a kind of the belt in which the balls are attached in a circular way. ठीक है, and so in the wheel there is an axle also. तो वहाँ पे जो axle होता है, axle के अंदर ये this is the axle and these are the ball and bearings, and they help like in the motor shaft. They help in the motor shaft. Wheels of the bicycle, बाइसाइकिल का व्हील सबने देखा ना, सबने साइकिल चलाया तो उसका व्हील हम ऐसे करते हैं, इधर करते हैं. स्कूटी का भी सिमिलरली, एंड अदर स्कूटर्स, बाइक्स, तो उनका जो व्हील है हम रोटेट करते हैं जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ द प्रेजेंस ऑफ दिस बॉल बेयरिंग्स. ठीक है, तो दैट्स व्हाई वहां पे फ्रिक्शन जो है वो प्रॉपर अमाउंट में रहता है. नेक्स्ट, शाफ्ट ऑफ द मोटर्स. मोटर्स का शाफ्ट भी ऐसे ही होता है. ठीक है, एक्सल ऑफ द कार. एक्सल सबने देखा ना, ऊपर व्हील लगा होता है जिसको पापा ऐसे पकड़ के चलाते हैं. सबने स्पीड देखा होगा ना, देखा भी क्या, पकड़ के चलाया भी होगा भी. तो वहां पे क्या होता है, जो व्हील होता है ना, इट इज अटैच्ड टू दी दैट रॉड के साथ, उसको बोलते हैं हम एक्सल. ठीक है, तो वो एक्सल का मूवमेंट होता है, इट इज प्रूवली बेस्ड ऑन द बॉल बेयरिंग्स. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट वन, बाय यूजिंग द रोलर्स एंड व्हील्स. So we can use the rollers instead of using the we can say the instead of using the other shapes, we should prefer the rollers and wheels to facilitate, or we can say to reduce the friction. Okay, by streamlining. So by streamlining, as we have discussed already, that fish are supposed to be having the streamlined body, and so that which can help them in cutting the water current. It is just because of the shape of their body. ठीक है, so whenever the body will be in a proper shape, obviously it will help for that organism or for that object to reduce the friction. Okay ji, it was all about this chapter. Hope you get it. Thank you so much.